Wanna know how to enable or disable generated complete sound in Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your web browser and type in lovable.dev on your URL. So you should be provided and directed to Lovable AI website. So once you're there, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. So you can just simply select it. And now here you should be seeing settings that should be right beside invite. So you can select settings now and your settings window should open up. Now once your settings window open up, here you should be seeing your name or account. Just simply select it. And once you have selected that, just scroll down a little bit until you see generation complete sound. So you can just simply select never, always, or first generation right here. And you can just simply update it, or it should be automatically updated. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.